They said that electric vehicles would make personal transportation extremely cheap. No need to pump gas, no need to change oil, and supposedly no need to do yearly maintenance. Well, all of this is jolly good, but judging by the current electric car prices, money saving was lost somewhere along the way. So, do affordable EVs really exist? Well, in my opinion, they definitely do, but today they come in the form of electric scooters. In this episode, we'll assist you in the conservation of financial resources by demonstrating a lineup of the most affordable models that are sold internationally. So subscribe to Automotive Territory and enjoy the ride! Ola S1. Rumored to eventually arrive to the US market, the Indian Ola S1 combines modern design with a cartoonish double headlight and digital technology. The Scoot gets two modifications, S1 and S1 Pro. The two come standard with LED lights, 36 liters of boot space, and a 7-inch touchscreen with GPS and Bluetooth. The models are powered by a permanent magnet electric motor that peaks at 11.5 HP. In the S1 Pro, it is paired with a more powerful battery pack that ensures 72 mph speeds and 0 to 25 acceleration in 2.9 seconds. The maximum range reaches 112 miles. It also gets standard cruise control and a sporty driving mode labeled Hyper. Ather 450X. This super successful Indian scooter has entered its third generation. The evolution was based on the feedback collected over 100 million miles of riding data. The new Ather is powered by a revised version of the permanent magnet synchronous motor with a yield of 8 horsepower and 19 pound-feet of torque. The smarter battery management system allows to extend the range ensured by the 3.7 kWh battery pack to 65 real-life miles. The Scoot completes 0 to 25 mph, or as the manufacturer calls it, 0 to V, in 3.3 seconds, and it tops out at 50 mph. The Ather 450X is as intelligent as electric scooters get. It sports a large 7-inch screen with a new Snapdragon processor, 4G LTE connectivity, updated Android OS, and a built-in Bluetooth. TVS iQube. TVS is the third largest manufacturer of two-wheelers in India that exports to 60+ countries. Their electric range was kicked off in 2021 by the iQube and has already grown to include 3 models, Standard, S, and ST. The former is rated for 62 miles of range, but the upcoming flagship ST increases this parameter to 90 miles or 145 kilometers and slightly raises the top speed bar to 51 mph. The TVS iQubes have a traditional scooter design with all LED lighting, 32-liter storage enough for 2 full-size helmets, and a wide handlebar. The extensive list of smart features by TVS includes Alexa integration, remote vehicle immobilization and keyless unlocking, a TFT display with navigation, built-in Bluetooth, and over-the-air updates. If you find this buying guide at least remotely helpful, then make sure to smash the like button. Electric scooters are the future of affordable personal mobility. Let's keep rolling. Hero MotorCorp Vida. For the past 20 years, Hero MotorCorp has been the world's biggest manufacturer of two-wheelers with a yearly production of 7.5 million units. In 2022, they launched the electric sub-brand Vida that will focus solely on electric vehicles. The inaugural Vida eScooter arrived in 2 versions, V1 Pro and V1 Plus. The manufacturer has ensured the industry's first capability to select between 100 custom performance settings. If the range is prioritized, then up to 100 miles can be covered. If top speed, then you would be able to ride at 50 miles per hour, while the quickest acceleration is clocked at 3.2 seconds 0 to 25. The Vida has a 7-inch touchscreen with seamless smartphone compatibility, cruise control, and keyless entry. NIU Gova 03. The mid-range member of NIU's Gova family offers buyers classy exterior styling, high-quality carbon structural steel frame, and a powerful 2 kW motor. The model gets LED DRLs, wraparound taillights, and plenty of storage nukes. It can carry 2 passengers, covers up to 56 miles, and speeds to 37 mph. The Scoot comes equipped with a twist throttle and a drive mode selector that allows the rider to switch between sport and tour modes. There is also an easy-to-read LCD dashboard that displays vital driving information. For alleviating fatigue during a long ride, the model gets cruise control. While on the bumpy roads, your comfort is ensured by a full suspension system with hydraulic damping up front and an air spring at the rear. Yamaha EC-05. This is a joint project between Yamaha and the Taiwanese pioneer of urban mobility, Gogoro. This model will be manufactured at the facilities in Taiwan, and EC-05s will have access to the 1200 battery swapping stations installed by Gogoro Energy Network. Judging by the spec sheet, the scooter shares many features with the Gogoro 2. The 8.6 horsepower motor is good for 56 miles per hour and 0 to 31 mph or 50 km per hour of 3.9 seconds. The EC-05 has 2 removable Gogoro-compatible lithium batteries for a range of 68 miles. Interestingly, there is an existing partnership between Yamaha, Honda, Kawasaki, and Suzuki that all of their scooters should share these standardized packs. In 2022, the Yamaha EC-05 will be available in 4 colors: Ice Late Blue, Diamond Black, Deep Blue, and Sugar White. Okinawa OKHI 90. On sale on the Indian market, this agile e-scooter is well equipped to cater to the needs of big city dwellers. OKHI 90 differentiates itself by large 16-inch alloy wheels, full suspension and disc brakes at both ends with standard CBS. In addition, potential owners get an all-LED lighting system, including DRLs and turn signals, a TFT instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation system, and even such minor goodies like a side stand sensor or under-seat lighting. OKHI's centrally mounted 5-horsepower electric motor is wired to a detachable lithium-ion battery rated at 3.6 kWh. Okinawa claims 100 miles of range and the top speed of over 50 miles in the sport mode. Segway e-scooter E110S. Quite famous for their personal transporters, kick scooters, and unicycles, the Segway brand now offers a line of full-size electric scooters. The E110S is the company's cheapest 2-person model that tops out at 506 pounds of maximum load, accelerates to speeds of 28 mph, and offers 27 liters of under-seat storage. Its 1.44 kWh battery pack is IPX7 waterproof. It is capable of recharging in 4 hours and has enough juice for 46 miles of riding. The scooter gets an LED matrix headlamp that lights your way up to 98 feet ahead and 128 degrees across. Finally, the model comes equipped with the AHRS anti-theft security system and an LED display, compatible with the Segway's smartphone app. Horwin EK-1. This is an all-new derivative of the EK3, and it is tailored specifically for the L1E category, but in terms of dimensions, it remains identical to the original Horwin. Without a doubt, the model's strongest side is its modern design, featuring smooth lines and bright matte color options. The front end also gets a futuristic lighting system consisting of a 3-unit LED headlamp and 2 thin LED strips for automatic DRLs and turn signals. Targeting the younger audience, Horwin also equips the EK-1 with vacuum tires, sleek-looking LCD display, large-capacity seat storage, and such tech functions as a cruise control, theft protection, and keyless go. As standard, the 2.8 kW hub motor is wired to a 1.8 kWh battery good for 40+ miles. The optional 2.6 kWh pack will last for over 60 miles. Honda Yugo. Sold across a variety of markets, the Yugo by Honda is offered in 2 power versions, both juiced by 2 removable lithium-ion battery packs. The overall capacity reaches 1.44 kWh, while recharging takes only 2 hours. The entry-level Yugo gets an 800-watt motor that peaks at 1.2 kilowatts, speeds to 15 mph, and covers up to 83 miles. The more powerful model is motivated by a 1.2 kilowatt motor that raises its maximum velocity to 33 miles per hour. The scooter comes with a full suspension represented by a telescopic front fork and dual shock absorbers, but only the front wheel features disc brakes. You can also expect an LCD display, a couple of USB ports, and a 26-liter helmet storage. Did we miss some high-quality yet affordable EV scooters? If so, mention those in the comment section below, or let us know which model from the lineup would be your personal top pick. Smash the like button and subscribe to Automotive Territory before you proceed to watching other informative videos on our channel. All of the links are on the screen. May the torque be with you, and glory to Ukraine!